sharing fi higher Opemsuo radio on Facebook. Inti enya wo ya say Pep Guardiola ene low-minded Calum MacFarlane shia na at the long run MacFarlane it's not dug out for the first time na wetimi enya a point against established Pep Guardiola. Yaba be red game nim near discuss say the be obehu the length and breadth Calum MacFarlane etimi aboa ama Chelsea enya a needed point e wo the Etihad. The last 3 visits at Chelsea akwa Etihad nyina no otimi enya point and the established coaches nanso Calum MacFarlane etimi the Chelsea akwa kunya a point e wo Etihad. Enti minua yeba be the discussion of Chelsea etimi agwagonya a point against Pep Guardiola ewo the Etihad because yenim komo enra ewo Etihad Sports Stadium na dodo na nim say Pep Guardiola egwako wie Chelsea wa bra Chelsea the low-minded coach Calum MacFarlane egwako jina dugout the echia Pep Guardiola na so you abukansi no na Enzo Fernandez aboa ama MacFarlane etimi a point against Pep Guardiola. Unprecedented because on your established coach and last 3 visits at Chelsea akwa Etihad no and the established coaches omunya a point in na any that's winning hodiko so far so good again na uhuye wa bra na o monitor proceedings.
Raf me da say on say ye hwa game we na nkasa no as an Arsenal fan na ma me kan for sentiment we kan as an Arsenal fan no na ye me de say Chelsea ahodi City for a draw game because idea Arsenal desperate for this year trophy. Ente idea Arsenal fan be a draw. I mean you sure say Ateta even before the game we no na Ateta ni age.
Yes, in the long run as an Arsenal fan eye wo de say Calum MacFarlane etimi that point.
Eye me de Senka Enzo Maresca crowd. I'm not sure Senka Chelsea ebenya draw. It's a good news for us as an Arsenal fan say. Eye dey Arsenal for league trophy no. Yeah, been we say be trophy no because yeah Chelsea game we no. We set up our coach dey set it up through Ocean City. Or set it up with 4-3-2-1 formation
against Pep Guardiola.
Pep Guardiola. I be say Guardiola established coach. Eye dey game we dey no be say for coach any Enzo Maresca can count or benya and the maximum point at their closing gaba na Arsenal team no. And then this time around we shake game City starting game now they were desperate so many were in the first half now and then early first half no they were dominating the game do be good team say na Chelsea for no I relax kakra set back say they be go on a counter break rough che ma ka sam che o coach I know tell that out Emma Chelsea no
Calum MacFarlane
share the background baby I no free awoba
mama me on the background kakra
fama me
also under 18 under 19 under 20 coach now we pass through the ranks of Manchester City, Southampton and we be with Chelsea and ideally on bag out for any EPL game or better bag out to be under 17 19 or 20 you could trust
rough na o she detail game no ene me course so a be yon it's your promise on 7 o'clock me more details didn't Man City and Guardiola the strategy o no coach ni etimi neutralizing the game plan
for them pensions and that one
t me say about 7 na me more details enema akokọ so enkoma even e course o dressing room me the details ni be mam because the draft dey be america just say ansa na better form no ansa na better form ne e Chelsea dressing room ho ye dey be mam on prama so dey be america just say as an Arsenal fan na me won dey be ade be si wo Man City dressing room bia e wo say me details e wo dey be si wo Chelsea bia na wo say me details dey match for her and the 7 na prama so Jibre na tie na hweye na ma details and many more em family game no na preview game no em fam rough
ya da wasinuko esi je ya twa ne se enanumre wa bra first program for the year 2026 etodwa no etie for mo mixe pramaso e wo Opemsuo live ya da se